I just went to Crumbl and they have a new fall flavor. It's a pumpkin caramel cookie, but sadly I can't have it because they don't do gluten-free. So let's go make one I can have. I need cloves. Love the beans in aisle 7. Am I in aisle 7? All right, so usually pumpkin puree is where all the baked stuff is, but in this store, for some reason, I don't know if it's all Whole Foods, but it's where the vegetables are, and they have pumpkin puree, organic pumpkin puree, sweet potato puree, and squash puree, and pretty much use them interchangeably if they're the canned ones, in pie or in any of the like cookies, muffins, breads, anything you're making. I couldn't try the pumpkin caramel cheesecake cookie at Crumbl, and today, we're gonna make them together. These are all the ingredients we need for our pumpkin caramel cheesecake cookies. All right, let's get into it. We are going to start by putting all of our wet ingredients into the bowl. We're gonna start off by adding our pumpkin puree. These are pumpkin cookies. Next up, we're gonna go in with our brown sugar. This could be maple sugar or coconut sugar. And the next thing I'm gonna add in is my oil. Today I'm using avocado oil, which is my favorite oil to bake with. And lastly, before I mix, I'm going to add in my vanilla extract. Now these cookies are cakey. This is a very cake-like cookie, which is what the Crumbl-style cookies are known for. Their pumpkin cookies are known to be a cakey cookie, somewhere between a little cake and a cookie. Next, we're gonna add in our egg. And if you're wondering why I use oil instead of butter in a cookie recipe, that is because oil is gonna keep them much more moist. It's gonna give us a much moister cake-like cookie and will last longer. All of our wet ingredients are mixed together. We're now gonna go in with our dry, starting off with our gluten-free 1-to-1 flour. Next, I'm gonna go in with baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And lastly, we're gonna go in with our spices. We're just gonna mix all of this together until it is smooth and we have no streaks of flour and no lumps. So now that our batter is all mixed, we have no lumps, no streaks, we're gonna go ahead and set these aside to rest for 30 minutes to let our flours hydrate, and then we'll scoop them and bake them. All right, so while our cookies are baking, let's put together our caramel cream cheese frosting. Super simple, everything's just gonna go in one bowl. We're gonna mix it up until it's well combined. The thing you wanna remember is that both your cream cheese and your butter need to be at room temperature. Now that we have our frosting, let's get these cookies finished. Just like many of you, I'm gluten-free, so I've never had a Crumbl cookie. So when I decided to develop this recipe, and many other Crumbl copycats, I relied on my kids who love Crumbl and can have gluten. And these cookies hit it out of the park. I also have a full class with 40 other Crumbl variations that are just as good. If you want to try those cookies, check out the link in the description. And now for the beauty shot.